guys, to factory reset your MetaQuest 3 or 3S, exact same instructions actually. All you guys have to do is hold on to your power. You won't need your controllers, by the way. So see these guys? Won't need them. You're gonna have to select everything using these keys right here, your volume keys, plus your power. So to select things, you got to choose your power. And with this, you go up and down. Okay, that's once we get into the menu, and you're gonna have to wear these. So that's something I won't be able to show you, sadly, but I can walk you through it. So first of all, power minus would be here, not this one, this one. Okay, there's two, minus, plus, hit your minus, hit this, hold on to it. And while you're doing that, oh yeah, this should be turned off, by the way. So while you do that, put it on. So you guys can see the screen that's popping up. So sadly, this part I can't show you, but you should see on your screen something saying USB update mode. So like I said, on your headset, with your minus and plus signs for your volume, you have to go up or down. So you're gonna go down to the third option. It's gonna say factory reset. To select that, press your power button on your headset, which I already showed you what that is. So that's just to power on your MetaQuest. You would have to just tap on it, and then it's gonna ask you if you guys want to factory reset it. Are you sure? Just go up. That's your plus for volume button. Then select again, just using your power button, okay? Yes, erase and factory reset. Once you do that, you can take off your MetaQuest, but at this point in time, you should see a MetaQuest logo on it. It should say erasing. It's gonna turn off, and then you guys should see the logo again of MetaQuest Horizon OS on it. What does this do? This will erase everything from your MetaQuest device itself, okay? So from your VR. It's not gonna erase your account that's online. To erase your account, that's different. You don't have to do this. This is to factory reset, so if you guys need to return it, sell it, or anything else like that, this is the tutorial to follow. Right now, your screen, you should see something to set it up again, okay? So if you put on your MetaQuest, you have it on while this is happening, on your screen, it should tell you to set it up again with your controllers. If you are selling this, go ahead, take it off right now. Power it off by holding on to the power key on your MetaQuest and turn it off. If you just want to set it up again because something happened, go ahead and do the setup. You need your controllers for that setup, and you will see that on your screen right now. If not, just hold on to that power and just make sure it's powered off, okay? Make sure it's shut down and you're done with this video. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.